Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your LinkedIn profile writing notes with Grammarly detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your LinkedIn profile writing notes with Grammarly, make sure you have your LinkedIn account open on your computer. Log into your LinkedIn account with your credentials. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the top right corner. Once on your profile page, locate the section where your writings or notes are stored. Select the content you want to back up. Highlight the text you wish to copy by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Right-click the highlighted text and select Copy from the context menu. Now, open a new document in a word processor or a note-taking application of your choice. Right-click in the blank document and select Paste to transfer your copied LinkedIn content. Next, open Grammarly either as a standalone application or within your web browser. In Grammarly, create a new document by clicking on the New Document button. Paste the LinkedIn content into the new Grammarly document by right-clicking and selecting Paste. Grammarly will automatically check your text, review the suggestions and make any necessary edits to enhance the quality of your writing. Once satisfied with the revisions, save the document on your computer or in the cloud for future reference. To ensure your backup is secure, consider exporting the document to PDF or another preferred format. Finally, you can revisit this saved document anytime you need to reference your LinkedIn writing notes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.